x over a plus y over b equal to 2, ax minus by equal to a square minus b square. Let's take up the first equation, and here we are going to now take LCM, and the LCM will be AB, which means we need to multiply a into b and the x also into b. Since the LCM is AB, we need to multiply the b into a and the y also into a. So here we'll get bx plus ay equals 2. Now we'll cross multiply bx plus ay. This ab, we take it on the other side and it becomes 2ab. We'll now call this equation as equation 1. This equation, there was no denominator, so we did not have to find the LCM. We'll call this equation 2. Now let's equate the coefficient. Let's examine the coefficients. A is a coefficient of x here, b is a coefficient of x, and the LCM of a and b equal to ab. So we need to make the coefficient of x as ab. To do so, we need to multiply equation 1 by a and equation 2 by b. So this is our equation 1, and I'm going to multiply it by a, and on multiplying by a, I will get abx plus a square y equal to a into 2ab will be 2a square b. I'll mark this as equation 3. Now it's time to multiply equation 2 by b. To multiply this equation 2, and I'm going ahead and multiplying it by b. So b into ax will be abx minus b into by, b square y, b into a square b, and b into b square minus b cube. This is equation 4. Now both my coefficients of x are same. I have abx here and abx here. So it is time for me to subtract my equations. Now we'll subtract equation 3 minus equation 4. So here I write my equation 3 and this is equation 4, and it is time to subtract. So the plus becomes minus, the minus becomes plus. Here the plus becomes minus, the minus becomes plus. This will cancel. I will take now y common out. See, this is the y term and this is also y. So I take y common out. Now what remains inside are the coefficients. After having taken y common out, a square plus b square will remain out. Now here again I have 2a square b. This is 2a square b minus 1a square b, and that would be 1a square b. And this is now plus b cube. We take y, a square plus b square. Here we are going to take b common out. So what remains is a square plus b square. So y will be equal to b, a square plus b square over, this will come down, a square plus b square will come down. So it cancels out. So your y is equal to b. Now to find x, we will just put y equal to b in any one of the equations. Say in the first equation. This was the equation given to us right in the beginning. So we get x over a. Remember our y is b, so we put b over b equals to 2. So x over a plus 1, b over b cancels, 1 equal to 2. So we'll have now, just do it here, x over a equal to 2 minus 1, x over a equal to 1. So we'll have answer x equal to a. So my answer for this is x equal to a and y equal to b. Now for the second one, look up at the first equations. X over a plus y over b equal to a plus b. So we need to take LCM, that is ab. So a into b into b, because LCM is AB. Therefore b I have to multiply into a to make it AB, so the numerator also into a. So here I'll have bx plus ay equal to a plus b. So bx plus ay, the AB I take on the other side, so it becomes AB, a plus b. We open the brackets, so we have bx plus ay equal to ab into a is a square b, and ab into b is ab square. I will term this as equation 1. Now in the next one, again the LCM we see is a square b square. So I need to multiply this first by b square, because LCM is a square b square. Multiply this also by b square. Here we have b square, so I have to multiply by a square. This also multiply by a square. So I will get here b square x plus a square y equal to 2. Now we cross multiply b square x plus, here we'll have a square y, and this a square b square will go on the other side, will become 2a square b square. This will be my equation 2. Now let's look up at the coefficients. Here my x coefficient here is b, my x coefficient is b square. So you'll definitely agree I need to make both the coefficients b square. So equation 1 has to be multiplied by b. So my equation 1, that is, I'm now going to multiply it by b. So we'll have now b square x plus a b y equal to a square b square a b cube. I'll put this as equation 3. Now if I compare my equation 2 and 3, this is my 3, the x has a coefficient of b square, and here also x has a coefficient of b square. So now the equations are ready for subtraction. I've equated the coefficients. So here is equation 3, and this was my equation 2. So we subtract, since the coefficients are already equal, here we have seen this is b square and this b square. So equation 3 minus equation 2. Here, so this is equation 3, this is equation 2, and now to subtract, I need to change the sign. The plus becomes minus, the plus becomes minus here. I cut this out. Now here I'm going to take y common out. So when I take y common out here, what remains is the coefficient, that is ab, the first one, minus a square. Here in the next, a square b square minus 2a square b square, and that would become now minus a square b square. This is plus a b cube. So my y now equal to minus a square b square plus ab cube over ab minus a square. Y equal to, from the numerator, you see I can take a b square common out. So what remains here is minus a plus b. And in the denominator, I can take a common out. So what remains is b minus a. Now these two brackets will cancel. The a and a will cancel. So here we'll have y equal to b square. Now to find out x, I will put y equal to b square in any one of the equations. My first equation was x over a plus y over b equal to a plus b. So I have x over a plus y. For y I am putting b square over b equal to a plus b. So I have x over a, b square over b is b, equal to a plus b. So the b cancels out, and I'll have now x over a equal to a. So x equal to a into a, and x will be equal to a square. So for the answer, x equal to a square, y equal to b square. This is our next one, x over a equal to y over b. The first equation, I'm going to do it by substitution since the first one is a little simple. So you realize that x equal to y a over b. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute for x. Substitute x equal to a y over b in the above equation. So let me write the above equation. Ax plus by equal to a square plus b square. Now for the x, I'm going to now put the value ay over b. I've substituted by equal to a square plus b square. From where did I get this value? See, I found the value of x here and I put the value of x. For this x I put the value. So I have now a square y over b equal to by equal to a square plus b square. Let's go ahead and take LCM. The LCM here is b. So this will be a square y plus, now here remember is over 1. So into b and into b to make the LCM b. So this will be b square y equal to a square plus b square. So we have a square y plus b square y. I take the b on the other side, so becomes b a square plus b square. Now from the first part I can take y common out. So here you get y. What remains here, a square plus b square equal to b a square plus b square. So your y is b a square plus b square over a square plus b square. Here I can reduce, so I get y equal to b. Now to find x, all I need to do is substitute y equal to b in the first equation, that was x over a equal to y over b. So x over a. Now for y I'm going to put b because y equal to b over b. So x over a equal to 1. So I'll have x equal to a. So my answer, y equal to b, x equal to a. So this is my first equation and this is the second equation. Let us examine the coefficient. The coefficient of x here is 2a and the coefficient of x here is 3a. So you'll definitely agree, if I take the LCM of 2a and 3a, it will be 6a. So my equation 1, I need to multiply by 3 because the 2a I have to make it 6a. And the equation 2, I'll need to multiply it by 2 because my 3a has to be made into 6a. So this is my equation 1 and I'm going to go ahead and multiply it by 3. And on multiplying by 3, I get 3 into 2ax, that means 6ax. This will be 9by, and multiplying by 3, so 3a, 2b multiplied by 3, that will be 6b. I will call this equation as 3. Now let's go ahead, multiply equation 2, and my equation 2 is 3ax plus 2by equal to 2a plus b, and I go ahead and multiply this now by 2. So multiply by 2, I get 2 into 3ax is 6ax, 4by, 4a plus 2b, and this is my equation 4. Now both my coefficients I've made equal. The x coefficient is 6a and here the x coefficient is also 6a. So my equations are ready to be subtracted. So equation 3 minus equation 4. So equation 3 is 6ax plus 9by equal to 3a plus 6b, and the next equation is 6ax plus 4by equal to 4a plus 2b. This was equation 3 and this was equation 4. Now go ahead and change the sign. The plus becomes minus, the plus is minus, the plus is minus, plus is minus. I'll cancel this out. I take now common out. This y has to be taken common out. And I'll write only the coefficients, that is 9b minus 4b. 3a minus 4a is minus a. 6b plus 2 minus 2b is plus 4b. So y, 9b minus 4b is 5b. And this is minus a plus 4b. So the y will be equal to 4b minus a over 5b. Now to find x, I need to substitute the value of y. So here we have earlier found the value of y. Now we are going to find the value of x. To find the value of x, we are going to equate the y. So let's examine the y. The coefficient of y here is 3b and the coefficient of y here is 2b. And the LCM of 3b and 2b equal to 6b. So this is equation 1. If I want to make here 6b, I need to multiply it by 2. So I'll take 2ax. I take equation 1 and I need to multiply it by 2. Now look at equation, this is my equation 2. This is 2b and I need to make it 6b. So the equation 2 has to be multiplied by 3. This is my equation 1. I'm going to multiply it by 2. And this is the next equation of mine. 3ax plus 2by equal to 2a plus b. And I'll multiply this one by 3. So I'm multiplying here 2 into 2ax will be 4ax. 2 into 3 is 6by, which is 2a plus 4b. I will mark this as equation 5. Here on multiplying, I get 9ax, 6by equal to 6a plus 3b. And we will mark this equation 6. Now let's examine these equations. This is 6b here, 6b for both the coefficients of y are same, 6b. So my equations are ready for subtraction. So equation 5 minus equation 6. That is 4ax, this is my equation 5, 6by equal to 2a plus 4b. And I have 9ax plus 6by equal to 6a plus 3b. And I change the signs here. I will cancel, and in this case I'm going to get now 4ax minus 9ax is minus 5ax equal to 2a minus 6a is minus 4a. 4b minus 3b is plus b. So my x will be minus 4a plus b over minus 5. If I take the minus on the top, I'll get 4a, this is minus 4a plus b over 5. So my x will become 4a minus b over 5. So my answers here, I've done the sum differently. To find x, which was 4a minus b over 5, I equated for y. And to find y, which is 4b minus a over 5, I equated for x.